I heard about this mysterious snack bar hidden deep in the middle of a national park in central Germany. Apparently they have got the best sausages on earth, but I had only 4 hours for that 300 kilometers to get there. Some people might call it stupid to go that far just for something to eat, but if you want to find out if it's possible to make it in time, discover if those sausages are really that good, and if my STI sounds crazy, stay focused. I wasn't just curious about how the sausage will taste, but also how the STI will do on a long highway trip. I was also curious about how the national park is going to be. The national park wasn't what I expected, but first I made some time on the Autobahn. On the Autobahn I realized that the rally car is actually not made for highway trips. It's just too noisy and bumpy. I had less traffic than expected, so there was some time for a toilet visit and something to drink. How do you like driving on the Autobahn? Write me a comment if you want to see more of the Autobahn or rather some twisty country roads. Unfortunately, I didn't make the top speed on the Autobahn, but if you want me to try it, write me a comment. The snack bar was also not what I expected, but first we have still 25 kilometers left through the national park. I expect that the national park is going to be more mountainous. So that was quite challenging, but the STI mastered it perfectly. Wow, finally we did it. Boy, was I hungry by then.
In my opinion, it was worth the ride. The sausage is awesome, but probably not the best on earth. However, this remote location for this place makes it very unique and a real nice spot to take a break. If you want to see more of that content, write me a comment and subscribe. Until next time, drive safe and eat well.